All right, so we are looking at the Tesla gateway, similar to the other battery gateways. This is where all of the components of the solar system and battery come to a head. So we have the photovoltaic system, or the PV panels, that are located on top. Unlike some of the other systems that we've gone over, there are no microinverters on the roof. And so the battery that we showed you downstairs, that battery has an inverter as well as the storage capacity for the energy itself. Now, this is where everything meets, and this is where your breakers are going to be located. Now, this Tesla gateway here, in order to open it, you're going to want to go ahead and push the lid in, or the cover in, and then there's a latch on the side that you're going to want to push in as well. You hear that click, and you know that it's open. Okay, super simple. This is going to be the breaker for the PV system itself. Right here, this 60 amp. So as long as this is flipped on, there are no issues with the panels that are on the roof. Now, as I mentioned, there is an inverter inside the battery itself. And so the best way to make sure that everything is on and operating effectively is going to be this main breaker here. This is a 200 amp breaker where all the power is being fed. So as long as this is on, that is on, and you have a light on your Tesla battery, if you're experiencing any kind of issues, it is most likely not due to the setup itself. So these are just a couple of troubleshooting steps that you can use with the Tesla system to ensure that everything is working properly. And then if you are experiencing continued issues, feel free to give us a call, once again, at 1-800-484-8766. Close this, you're just going to want to push it in. Hear a click, you're good to go. In addition to the other system components, as you know, there is always an AC disconnect for emergency purposes as well. If there's a sudden surge or a lightning strike that happens to affect the electrical system for the home, this disconnect will flip off. Aside from checking the components for the system itself, always want to make sure that this is flipped to the on position, or you can flip it off if there is an emergency occurring.